what you do to get by, cause I keep ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me oh, just let me.
So guys, today we're back. Thanks, Cyndaquil, I guess. I'm just trying to explore everything I see, and oh my god. Oh. So I think that... Wait a minute. I see something in this path over here. I picked up 38. Yep, you suck, Pidgey. Proceed. Tiny Woods. I'm not just gonna... I need to see everything. Going down will bring me to this nothingness. Okay? Look, nothingness. And going up brings me to an Oranberry. Well, okay then. I know I'm not speaking much. Oh, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter page. It's the same name as my YouTube channel. Yay, first mission done. Oh, that's okay. It's been dangerous lately with sudden quakes and fissures like that one. It was great to find your little boy unharmed. Please, may I have your names at least? I'm Cyndaquil, and this is Mudkip. Cool. He's staring at me adorably, those sparkly eyes. It's a little embarrassing, but this doesn't feel bad either. It's like I'm a hero. Helping Pokemon in trouble might be a good experience. Thank you, Cyndaquil and Mudkip. I know it isn't really enough, but take this token of our thanks. Yay, berries. Thank you for helping. You're very tough. I was sure impressed. So, what are you gonna do? Do you have any plans? If you don't have a place to stay, you should come with me. Well, this is the place. Wow, I can't explain, but I'm happy. I'm a human being, but I like this place. I feel really happy. It might be an instinct thing for Pokemon. Maybe this is what it feels like to want to whack your tail. It doesn't matter, I'm happy. Maybe I feel that way because I'm Mudkip. Mudkip, you're impressed, aren't you? I thought so. I thought this would make a good place for you to live, Mudkip. I was sure you would like it. This is your mailbox. You know, for some reason there have been many natural disasters. Because of those disasters, many Pokemon are suffering. I want to help Pokemon in these tough times. I want to help change things so all the Pokemon can live in peace. So, well, I like to hear yourself when you leave your canopy. Would you like to join me on a rescue team? Mudkip, with you, I think we're a rescue team. How about it? Form a rescue team. Perfect. That's it then. We're partners in a rescue team from now on. Mudkip, glad to have you on board. The team name. Because I really don't care what I call it. I'm just gonna call it Hyper Squad. I like it. It's a good name. It's perfect for us. Rescue Team Hyper Squad. Let's do good starting tomorrow. Yay. And that is how Mudkip and Cyndaquil began their careers together as a rescue team. The next morning, I'm still the same, the way I look, I'm still Mudkip, but why would I be transformed into a Pokemon? I don't understand this at all. I feel groggy and sleepy, not feeling well. I need more sleep. Now I only want to sleep or rest in bed. Save completed. Oof, I'm feeling refreshed. I still look like a Pokemon, but that's right. That Pokemon, I think it was Cyndaquil. We made a promise to form a rescue team together. I wonder what Cyndaquil is doing. I should go out. Huh? Oh no. Sorry, I was so excited. I came out here at the dawn to wait for you. I must have snoozed off.